Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Today we're filming this OG SZA big wavy hair look, and if you want to see how I got it, then keep watching. So this is the wig girl, this is her. Nadula sent me this hair. Today's video is sponsored, and it came with some goodies: a little scarf for your edges, a bonnet, a little makeup brush, some eyelashes, some headbands. Girl, they sent you all the things. But hands down, my two favorites are the cheetah print edge band, and they sent these really thin wig caps. They almost look like pantyhose, which I am so excited to try. First off, I'm parting the wig down the middle. Y'all know I'm scared of the hot comb, so I'm trying to press it out while it's on my wig head. I already bleached the knots and washed the wig. If you want to see how I bleach the knots, then definitely check out one of my other tutorials, but I didn't want to bore y'all with that since you've already seen it. And I'm just going ahead and trimming off these little extra side pieces that are really thick. Those gotta go. They don't lay well for your closure, so trim them as close as you can to the wig. And then I'm going in and trimming the lace in the front of my wig in a zigzag motion. Lately, I've been cutting the lace before my installs, and it has been working wonders for me. But I don't know, y'all. Let me know what order you guys install your wigs in. So now it's time to get into the cut. With this hair, it's really full and really dense. So if you want to get the most out of any curls or something like that, you want to give it some texture. So I went in and I grabbed two pieces from the front and I cut those evenly just to make sure that my layers on both sides are relatively even, girl. Sisters, not twins, we doing our best. But I'm also going in now with my scissors and creating a 45-degree angle starting from where I cut that first layer. And as you can see, it's giving a very like sloped look. That's where our layers are going to come in. Now to follow those layers all the way through the back, I'm taking a portion of the hair that's already been cut and I'm pulling the hair up and then cutting it even. It's hard to explain, but I hope you guys see what I'm doing. I'm kind of parting a vertical section, over directing it straight up, and then cutting it even from the shortest layer's length. This is going to create a really nice gradual cascade and layer effect. And once we have the layers cut, I'm going in and trimming the bottom so that the bottom is nice and heavy and it looks really healthy. And this is our finished cut. It's given layered, it's given cute. Not too much on the layers, just enough to add some body to the hair. And for today, I'm going for that OG SZA vibe. So I'm going in with a wand and I'm wand curling the hair in relatively small sections, about a ½ inch to an inch wide. And I'm doing that up the entire head. I want the curls to be really tight, and then I'm gonna let them fall for a real big, like, I don't know, almost flexi rod look. It's super cute. I loved when SZA used to wear her hair like this. This is when I first started listening to her. I am obsessed. And this is what the curls look like after I finished. I sprayed them down with a little bit of hairspray just to get some holds. And this is that super thin wig cap I was telling you guys about. So I'm not gonna do the bald cap method today, but if you did do the bald cap method with this wig cap, it would be amazing. I just wore it like normal, but it was kind of still giving bald cap. It was so thin, I really like it. And I just applied a little bit of foundation onto the bald cap and onto the base of the closure wig, so the color of the lace can match my scalp.
Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Buying by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release.
So this is what it's given so far, and I'm going to go ahead and pull it back and apply a little bit of this Bold Hold Liquid Gold to apply the wig glueless. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me actually glue a wig on. I haven't glued a wig on in a minute, but that may be fun to switch it up. I've been doing a lot of glueless installs because I'm not going to lie, y'all, I've been focusing on keeping my hair healthy and growing my hair out, but we can give it a little spice. I can glue it on one day. I'm following up that Bold Hold gel with some spray. This is the Eben Extreme Firm Hold, and I'm laying my lace with that super cute little cheetah print number that they sent us. And while my edges are laying, I'm going through and seeing if I missed any spots with the curls, and I'm just tightening those up with the wand. Now I'm going in with my wax stick and pressing out the roots. I want it to be big and voluminous, but I also want it to be given flat. So I want it to be given big, but not big, but big at the same time, if you know what I mean. So I pressed it out a little bit more in the roots, and now it's time to get into these baby hair. I applied a little bit of my foundation on the edges just to blend it a little bit more, and then I parted out a really thin little bit of edges. And then I parted out a little thin section of my edges along the edge of the lace, and I'm just curling them and laying them as normal. I didn't want to cut this part so you guys can really see exactly how long it takes and how I form and shape the baby hair. Let me know how you guys like the way I edited this video. It was actually a lot easier for me to just do my hair and then tell you guys how I did it after, because I'm not gonna lie, girl, most of the time when I'm doing my hair, I'm kind of just feeling it out. Sometimes I like my baby hair a little bit different. Sometimes I want to do glueless. Sometimes I want to do glue. I may throw a hairstyle in there that I've never done before. So me trying to tell y'all how to do it while I'm doing it is hard. But it's easier for me to play around if I film it like this. So if you guys like it, I can crank these babies out like nobody's business. So yeah, let me know in the comments how you guys feel about this format. And enjoy the baby hair porn, girl. Let me not say that before I get demonetized.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
Alright loves, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. I'm going in with my fingers and fluffing it up a little bit, but yes honey, get into these gorgeous luscious curls. Thank you again to Nadula for working with me. Thank you guys for supporting my videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye babes.